Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining us on the Gator Metal Roofing YouTube channel, where we are the #1 metal roofing company in the Carolinas. And today we are here in Rocky Mount, North Carolina, and I am here with Earl. Earl, how are you doing today?
I'm fine. How everybody?
Earl, how long have you lived in your beautiful home for?
I've been here for 26 years.
26 years. Are you originally from Rocky Mount, or sounds like you've moved around quite a bit?
I have moved around quite a bit.
But North Carolina was always home for you.
Right. Tell you a little story.
Okay.
I got back in my car and was headed back to New York and got to the highway patrolman station, which is about 5 miles from here. Turned around and came back.
You're like, nope, North Carolina's my home. I'm putting roots here. Yeah, I love that. What does your ongoing maintenance of your home look like? Not just including your roof, but just ongoing maintenance of your house over all the years.
Well, I did a lot of work to this house, new windows and new hot water heater. That's the only thing that went out on me, really. And some plumbing, and that's it. But the overall, it's good.
Good. They don't make them like they used to.
And that new roof just stopped it right off.
Yeah. Well, speaking of the new roof, what was the condition of your old roof like?
It was like 22 years old, but it was 30-year-old shingles. But I used to look at it and say, well, I'm gonna have to put a roof on that sooner or later.
Yeah.
Then I saw the ad on TV. I said, down there, it's time to jump.
And you said when you saw the ad too, you got it at a perfect time because the ad said no down payment.
No down payment.
It sounded like probably a sign from the universe to jump on it.
I jumped on it.
Yeah. So you were kind of considering upgrading your roof for a while.
Right.
Okay. And you saw the commercial and that was kind of like, all right, this is the time to do it.
This is the time to do it, and I can afford it like this.
I love that. And so from giving us a call to the inspection to installation, how long did that process take, if you remember?
I would say about 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay.
It wasn't long.
Yeah, not long at all.
No.
And were you here the day that they installed the roof? How did that?
It took them almost a week to do it.
Okay. How'd the installation process
But I was here. They were gentlemen, professional, and did professional work.
Good.
Yeah, you can look at the roof and see that.
Yeah. I mean, I want to give you kudos because I think I love all of our colors equally. They're all our beautiful babies, but I do have a appreciation for the forest green. Not that many people pick it.
I love it.
And I think it's so pretty. What made you decide to go with the green?
If you look around my house,
it
was trimmed first.
Okay, trim, yes.
Trimmed in green.
Okay.
So I got that. I looked in the book and saw the forest green up there. So I said, well, this is it. Let's go together.
Yeah.
So that's the way I did it.
No, it looks perfect. One thing that we are really proud of is our lifetime warranty. And you had mentioned a little bit ago, you needed to use some of your warranty because you had a small leak. Is that correct?
Well, right after they put it on.
Okay.
In a couple of days of hard rain, and saw a little leak in the back. And they came, I called them. And they came and they fixed it, and it leaked again. They came back and they fixed it. And then they sent a sheetrock expert in here to fix the wall.
And ever since then, no problems?
No problem whatsoever.
Knock on wood. I don't know, there's wood. Knock on wood. No, but I love that you mentioned that because, as much as we are proud of our product, things happen, especially North Carolina weather. You never know what to expect. Rain, sleet, whatever. When we say we have a lifetime warranty, we own up to it.
Right.
Our team's always out here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'm totally satisfied.
Good. That's what we love to hear. How long have you had your roof so far? Do you know?
2 years.
2 years?
A little better than 2 years.
Yeah. And you've been happy with it ever since?
I've been happy with it ever since they came and fixed that leak.
Yeah. No longer, no other issues?
No other issues.
Have you noticed, especially this is more common in the summer, but since upgrading to the metal roof, change in your energy bills? Has it stayed cooler inside more?
Yes. It changed the weather on the inside of the house and the energy bills. And I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Do you have any advice for maybe homeowners who may watch this? Maybe they're contemplating on upgrading to a metal roof, but they haven't quite pulled the trigger yet. What would you tell them?
It's wonderful. Get it.
Yeah. Do you wish you would have gotten one sooner, probably?
Well, yeah. No, well, actually, my roof was good.
Yeah.
But when I saw the metal, I wanted the metal. Yeah. Everything went on perfect.
Awesome. That's what we love to hear. Well, you guys heard it right here from Earl. If you want to upgrade to a metal roof yourself, make sure you give us a call, like, subscribe, leave us a comment down below if you guys have any questions, and we will see you here next time. Bye.
Bye.